Welcome back. I'm Preston with HotTubSupply.com. Today we're going to drain our hot tub and basically go through the process of how to clean and wash. Before we start out, I wanted to show you, if you come a little closer, all hot tubs have a built-in drainage pipe where you can just connect a garden hose. Usually that takes a long time, so we recommend buying a sump pump to make this process go a lot faster. Really, it takes the process from a day plus to really a couple minutes, especially with this high horsepower pump, to get the thing drained. So we're gonna jump right in. It's the best opportunity to clean your hot tub out when you're in this draining process. We recommend draining your hot tub once every 6 months or so and putting fresh water into the system. So we're gonna give you a full walkthrough of the process. But while the hot tub is draining, now's a good time to clean your hot tub and make sure it's free of any organic matter or sludge or slime that may have built up over the last 6 months. So we'll bring you closer. The product we're going to use here today, looks like we're about drained from water, is Master Clear Multi-Purpose Cleaner. It's a product we carry and recommend on our website, HotTubSupply.com. If you check the comments below or the description, we'll have that linked for you. It's a really affordable product and it's safe for hot tubs, safe for your water as well. So you can see here, I've got 6 months worth of buildup. This particular hot tub, this is my own hot tub, is a Twilight series by Master Spa. It's a 7.25. So a made in America, really quality hot tub, made to last, up to 20 years if you maintain it over time. So this is kind of the maintenance process where we're going to keep it fresh and really take the opportunity to deep clean this hot tub. So I'm going to have you come in a little closer. You can see the buildup in some of these crevices and areas where really you don't have that water movement over time. You can have some moisture and buildup. So really it's simple. All you want to do is turn your spray to on, give it a spray, and then wipe it down. We have a lot of people call and ask, hey, can I just use bleach on my hot tub? Will that do the same thing? We recommend never using bleach because that really affects your pH levels in your hot tub. And standard household cleaners can be really harmful on the interior plumbing as well as the surface of your hot tub. So if you want to maintain longevity, use a safe product like this multi-purpose cleaner that can really do a good job cleaning your hot tub. So you can see here the before and after. Obviously all this comes off the acrylic. These are really the areas I want to target when I'm doing this deep clean, as well as inside the filter component. This is kind of the area, where you can have less water movement. So doing a deep scrub, you can see what's coming off of this. And this is really just a good way to level set your water and start off on the right foot when you add new water. So I'm gonna go ahead and climb in there. I'm not gonna have you guys watch me clean the whole hot tub. I also like to clean the exterior, so you can see there's a lot of buildup here. Master Spas uses a composite material for the exterior. These have a lifetime warranty, so I just like to make sure they're clean. And you can see all the scale and buildup coming off of this hot tub pretty easily. I will also mention, now that the hot tub's drained, this is a great time to replace your filters. Usually you're going to get about 6 month time frame from your filters. I live in the country, so I have a lot of plant material, organic material that gets in the hot tub that really puts these filters through the ringer. So obviously you want to rinse your filters off once every 2 weeks or so in the garden hose. So even with doing that, I still get a lot of junk in this filter. And just to maintain the longevity of your hot tub, you want to swap out with new filters when you change the water once every 6 months. You can also find these filters on our website, HotTubSupply.com. And then just as a reminder, this cleaner, HotTubSupply.com. Check it out. We'll have the link posted below. We're going to close this video now, but make sure you stay tuned to the next one where we start the refill process and maintain adequate chemical levels.